Okay, well, there's various different methods of wearing the ihram. This is what works best for me. So if I follow you through how I do it, and it works for me year in and year out, alhamdulillah. So, strand apart, ensuring that my feet are apart. This is going to help me walk once the ihram is tied. One side of the ihram is going to be shorter than the other. So the shortest length is going to go towards the side of my hip. And during the course of this, I normally breathe in so I can ensure that it's tight. So I breathe in, and the first wrap is towards the side of my hip. Follow it over with the second wrap, which goes to the other side of my hip, and then whatever's left over comes back. Ensuring that I'm still breathing in, I do a fold, front and back, and then repeat the fold a couple of times so that the ihram is lifted off the floor, like so. So if I turn around, I'll show you, should be a clean fold, and it's quite solid as well. Okay, and hence the strand was because the walking doesn't gives me that flexibility of a walking strand. Okay, then the top. I'll go through the top with you. Again, there's different methods of wearing the top garment. So what I normally do is, again, I use one strand and tuck it in to the fold, like so. So that's tucked in, so that doesn't sort of come out, and whatever is left over goes over to my left shoulder. Okay, like so. And if I want to, even from the left shoulder, I can bring whatever left round here and tuck it around the collar, like so. And alhamdulillah, works for me year in and year out. And there's your ihram demo.